Andarki namaskaram, ellarkum vanakkam. This is Keertana and welcome to my YouTube channel. So as you guys can see from the title of my video, in today's video I'm gonna show you guys some surprise gifts that I have received for this Raksha Bandhan. So before we get into the video, if you guys like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and click on that bell icon for post notifications. Now let's get this video started. So we all know that Raksha Bandhan is a very big festival that is celebrated in India where siblings tie Rakhi, that is a talisman or amulet to protect them from negativity. But before we get into this video, I just want to give you guys a brief about how this Raksha Bandhan actually came into existence. So this was back in the days, that is during Mahabharata days, when King Yudhishthira and Queen Draupadi had a Rajasuya Yajna at their new palace Indraprastha, and they invited n number of guests to their ceremony, and even Sisupala was invited. Lord Krishna, of course, he was there. And if you guys don't know this story, actually Krishna hoped that if Shishupala did 100 mistakes, he would kill him on the spot. So in this ceremony, Sisupala did his 100th mistake and Krishna immediately threw his Sudarshana Chakra towards Shishupala and it killed him. So while throwing that Sudarshana Chakra, Krishna had an injury on his finger and Draupadi immediately tore a piece of her sari and tied the wound. So that's how Raksha Bandhan actually came into existence. So the reason I made this video is because this year's Raksha Bandhan is really close to my heart, because me sending Rakhis to my brothers was also a surprise, and them sending presents to me is also a surprise. So that's how this year Raksha Bandhan went. So one of my brother actually lives in United States and the two others live in India, one in Bangalore and one in Hyderabad, and they are married as well. That is, two of my brothers are married. So my sister-in-laws really helped me pull this surprise, and I'm really thankful that they did, because they didn't reveal it until the day of Raksha Bandhan. So how I ordered it. One day I was randomly searching for any websites that would deliver through online. So that's when I found flavoraura.com. That's a really good website, guys. So if you guys want to send courier within India, I suggest you to use that website because it was really good. I've actually ordered Rakhi. With that I've added sweets as well. I didn't know, actually I was scared for sweets because I didn't know how those sweets will taste, but my brothers, they told that sweets were really tasty, so that's also a plus point. And the next thing is we can customize our own cards, and I have customized my own card with a short note to my brothers for the Raksha Bandhan, and they delivered within 2 days, even in Bangalore and in Hyderabad, and they were really quick in delivery. And the reviews that I got from my brothers were, it was really nice, and even my sister-in-laws told that the packaging was nice and good. So I really think that will be helpful. I will post the link down below in my description box so that you can do check it out. Maybe not this year, but next year you can do it for sure. For one more brother that lives in US, I ordered him Rakhi through rakhisonline.com, I guess. That goes even abroad as well. So in that website I ordered a Rakhi. With that I even ordered sweets. But the thing is, it's time taking, and it was very expensive as well. It costed around 2500 rupees, I guess. So that's how I did. So the Rakhi that I sent through Flavor Aura reached within 3 days. That is, I kept the order on Monday and it reached on Thursday. That is 3 days before Raksha Bandhan actually. That was really quick. I didn't expect them to be that quick. For US, I guess it took He recently received it. I guess it took nearly 7 to 9 days, I guess. So that's how it happened. And on Wednesday evening or night, I guess, I got a message saying that your order is confirmed in Nykaa. I was like scrolling through my app whole time, and no, I didn't place any order. At first I thought, did someone hack my Nykaa account? Then I was like, who will hack Nykaa account? Come on, that's crazy. So that's how I thought. And it's not one order but two orders. That's what really surprised me. And I didn't exactly think who will be sending me. I was like, oh my god, is someone using my Nykaa app without me knowing about it? But no, it's not. On Saturday morning at 9:30 or 10ish, I have received one package out of two from Nykaa Fashion. That's when I knew that this would be sent by my sister-in-laws and brothers. So I tried to pull a prank on them, but I guess it didn't actually work out. So I texted them immediately saying that I have received one jean and one top from Nykaa Fashion, and I told, did you order it? They were like, no, we didn't order anything for you. If they told me that we didn't order that jean and top, maybe I would have accepted. They just told that we didn't order anything on Nykaa Fashion. So later, for 1 hour we had conversation, and then I told them that I actually received a kurta and palazzo set. It was a really beautiful color. I will show you guys. The kurta and palazzo set. So this was from one of my brother and sister-in-law. It's a really pretty color. I never had this color in my wardrobe, so this really is a unique color. And when I wore it for trial purpose to check whether it fits me, it's perfect size, and the color is really pretty, and I feel really comfy wearing this one. So the palazzo is, I guess it's dark aquamarine-ish color. Maybe due to the lighting, the color might be different, but it's actually dark aquamarine color, and yeah, the same with a shawl as well. Same color with shawl. It's a really pretty dress. On Sunday morning, on Raksha Bandhan, I have received one more package from Nykaa Fashion. That is this beautiful handbag. This actually has a sling with it as well. I just need to tie this with my bag, but I didn't do it yet, but I will do. So this brand is from Accessorize London. I never owned this color handbag. I don't think I ever did. So this is also very unique in my handbag section. So I really like this material too. The leather is really soft and it's really good. It's one rack. And I think this would fit any accessories that I want to carry, because this is like the perfect size for any handbag, and this is really compact, I feel. And for the things that I carry, I guess this is perfect size. So as I mentioned in this video earlier, one of my brother that lives in US actually sent money to my mom and dad to buy me diamond earrings on his behalf for this Raksha Bandhan. So my mom and dad went and bought it on Thursday night, that is 2 days before Raksha Bandhan, and they gifted me on the day of Raksha Bandhan. So these are the beautiful diamond earrings. It's really pretty and it's really small. To be honest, I'm not a big fan of huge earrings, because I don't know, many like that, but me particularly, I don't prefer huge earrings. So these small cute earrings are the best. I mean, for me, I prefer the small ones on the big ones any day, anytime. This was actually a huge surprise for me, and I was really shook. So it's a really pretty cute small earrings. So this year Raksha Bandhan was really special because everything was just like a surprise and everything was a bliss. So I just want to thank my brothers for sending me in the surprise Raksha Bandhan gifts. Uh, these gifts really made my day, and I didn't expect any of the gift until the day exactly, to be honest. So it was a really cool experience this year, so it was really nice. And with this, I'm gonna end this video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and for more content stay tuned to my channel, and do not forget to subscribe and click on that bell icon for post notifications. And I just want to mention a small thing to you guys is that my comment section is always open for any suggestions that you want to send me in. So please do comment down below, and until next video, peace.